As we know, as we know the life of the tribes in India, their life is also very struggleful, and they have lackness of the all things, and luxurious life it is can't live. I think in India there are many tribes are here: Kol, Bhil, Santhal, Dramid. They are tribes, especially they lived only in the forest. Today, I am going to share a story of a tribe's woman. That's name is the Budhni Majhi, who accidentally became the first tribal wife of the Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, who was the first Prime Minister of the India after freedom. On 6th December 1959, there was a dam named Panchet and built by the Damodar Valley Corporation. Nehruji came at the dam site and told the people he wanted to start this dam with the hand of a tribe. So people decided to give this prestigious task to a girl. That's name is the Budhni Majhi. Budhni Majhi started that dam, and to welcome the Pandit Nehru, Budhni Majhi garlanded him, and Nehruji also garlanded her. After that, Nehruji returned back to Delhi, and that dam was built on the Damodar River. Damodar River is called the sorrow of the Bengal because during the monsoon, the floods all over the Bengal they captured inundated areas. So that's why the dam was the necessary to build on the Damodar River, and it was built by the government at that time. But in the Santhal tribes, when a man and a woman exchange the garland with in the neck, they became the husband wife. It means Pandit Nehru became the husband of the Budhni Majhi, and Budhni Majhi became the wife of the Pandit Nehru. So Santhal tribes fired Budhni from her caste and told her, you had been married, so go. There is no need to come here because you have married with the non-tribe man, and Pandit Nehru was the non-tribe man. And after that, Budhni Majhi in 1962 she moved to Purulia in Bengal, where she met a man that name is the Sudhir Datta, and told him all the story. After that, Sudhir Datta got married with Budhni Majhi and they lived together. In 1985, the then Prime Minister of the India, Jawaharlal Rajiv Gandhi, went to the Asansol, where some local people of the Asansol arranged Budhni Majhi to meet the Rajiv Gandhi. When Budhni Majhi met with Rajiv Gandhi, she narrated all the story. What happened on 6th December 1959 during the inauguration of the Panchet Dam that was made on the Damodar River. At that time, Rajiv Gandhi became very sad and sorrowful too. Then, Prime Minister Rajiv Gandhi arranged a government job for Budhni Majhi in DVC. DVC means Damodar Valley Corporation, and she worked there till 2005 after she retired from the job and pension has been started. In this month, at 17th November 2023, Budhni died. But She became the first tribal woman of the Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru.